would have heard he spray painted the box. Choo choo! Fishing is healing, baby! Welcome back to another Kayak and Outdoorsman video. It's the middle of January. We finally got winter here in Hamilton. Still not very much safe ice to fish here though. So, with that being said, I come down to a creek that I go to in the summertime for Creek Chubs. See if I can get some bait for pike fishing when the ice is safe. I got my minnow pail, I got some micro jigs and some butterworms. I'm gonna see if I can't get a couple Creek Chubs, maybe a half a dozen or so for the bucket. The cool part about the neighborhood that I'm down here in a small little tight-knit community, and there's some groups down here that have been doing woods walks and stuff like that. They even go out and tap the maple trees at the end of winter into spring, make maple syrup down here. Water's pretty low still. Just gonna open my pail here. There's next to no safe ice, so any little bit of fishing that I can get my hands on, I'm gonna do it. If I have to stick local and just get bait and wait for safe ice, I'll do it. Man, if I can travel safely with one of my friends to go fishing, I'm gonna do that too. I've been out of work for a year now with this stupid pandemic crap. People go crazy when they are off that long, you know what I'm saying? I always forget to take my helmet off. I must be a special kind of boy. And to be honest, I'm not even sure if there's even going to be Creek Chubs in here right now. Never attempted this spot in the winter. Let's get this chested up here. Butterworms. These are my favorite. Right here. For all I know, this hook is even too big. Okay, so I'll just take this, punch it through the middle once, punch it through the middle twice, and we got a nice little dangly orange butterworm. I got my bucket over here beside my nice sugar maples, and this nice little deep hole right here. Never fished here in the winter time, so I'm curious to see if there's much. Oh, there's a fish. Got one, baby. Look at that creek chub right there. That's going to be a beautiful pike bait. Totally impressed right off the hop. This video may not take long to complete with fish like that. I could have come out and done this with my fly rod. Ooh, that was a hit. Got one. Oh, it's a jumper bait. Creek Chubs. Creek Chubs. Stop. big ones in the wintertime. Well, who would have thunk? Give that spot a second. 3 casts, 2 fish, right off the hop. It's pretty impressive, to be honest. It's my first time winter fishing here, so the fact that it happened like that really impressed me. Again, I'm just using a butterworm and an orange and a black gumball jig head, I think they are. Oh, I had a hit there. There we go. Nice little guy. Oh, I lost him. Lost him there. So yeah, I'm just standing like 4 or 5 feet above the... Oh, there's... Oh, robbed. I'm just standing 4 or 5 feet above the bank. I'm just tossing out into the deep part of the pool. Trying to keep a tight line. There. Oh. Oh no. That's not what I want. That's a tough spot to get a snag. That could have been exciting. Bill could have went down. But I still got my butter. I still got my jig. Yeah, so like I was saying, I'm 4 or 5, 6 feet even above the water here. Just toss that gumball jig in. As soon as you feel a tap, got one. As soon as you feel a tap, just give it a little hook set. These are some big creek chubs too. Beautiful, beautiful pike bait. The boys are going to be impressed. I like to come out and... Oh, that was a nice hit too. I like to come out and catch my minnows. A little bit of time in the bush never hurt, you know? Half hour, clear your head, make your body feel great. Wow. That one. That's a nice one right there. Look at, oh, back down to the river he went. That would have been a really nice one for pike bait. There's one. Good day. Yeah, a couple creek chubs. There's 4. I'm gonna do 6. I'm gonna get 6 just in case. 2 more creek chubs, baby. Legit, I will have spent more time driving to get here than time spent on the water or in the bush. A little one. Well, I'm down for a little creek chub too. So you can pretty much go to any of your little local creeks that are still not frozen and find a deep pocket You can toss pretty much anything in there, and a fish will bite it. One more. Oh my God, look at the size of that Horn Creek chub. Look at that. On that note, I'm out of here. It's the end of my minnow, or the end of my bug. I got 7 in the bucket. 6 decent sized chubs. 6 decent sized chubs and a nice little guy in 20 minutes. I've got to go put some more water in the bucket here. All right, here's today's haul. Hopefully we get some big pike out of that. Nice big pikes, baby. That's what we're looking for. If you enjoyed this bait catching video, do me a favor, throw it a thumbs up, smash that like button. I really do appreciate it. It really does help me get out there and do more. Oh, this is my battle to 1,000 subscribers. One video at a time, one sub at a time. I love y'all. Get out there, stay sane, stay fishing, stay healthy, love your family, love your friends. And if you're at work, love that job, because not all of us got to keep our jobs with this COVID drama. You know? Stay healthy, stay happy, folks. Stay fishing.